Here's how to check if your router is overheating or running normal. So here is the kind of router that I have. So as you can see, every buttons right there is turning on. If you see that there is a one red blinking light, it means that the router you have is actually overheating. Now, if it overheats, let's say for example, there's a red light, what you need to do is to long press the power button and wait for 5 seconds until you press it on again. Now, to confirm that everything has already been turned on, you will see all the green lights will appear on these buttons. But if the power button is the only one greens, it means that your router is resting and all the lights or all the green lights will flash once it returns to its normal temperature. So that is how you identify if your router is overheating or running normal.